is it a mental thing? Is it what? I mean, obviously you have the talent. You beat Australia. I remember your opening shot, and it was tremendous. In that tournament. Is it a mental thing that when it comes to the final, does it start playing on your mind? Something like a PV Sindhu syndrome, when 8-9 finals you lose, but then she managed to break it. I'm sure you all will also break it. Is it more to do with the mental thing, or why? I mean, how do you explain the finals jinx?
Well, actually, to be frank, we all were really in a good zone before the final. Raman sir actually had contributed a lot in not making us feel that it's a World Cup final, or rather we are just playing a World Cup. He always said it that, okay, we are going to play a tournament. Don't think about anything. Like he was making us feel like it's just a normal series. Don't put a lot of pressure on yourself thinking it's a World Cup final. But yeah, I think unknowingly, somewhere probably the thing that, okay, we are playing a World Cup final, and even like even we have to consider that like in our domestic cricket, we don't have semis and finals as much as a Australian or a English team plays a knockout game. So, if you say Big Bash, they constantly play semis, they play final in their stuff they play. We have a lot of league matches in our domestic circuit, but we don't have much of semis and finals. We have probably one or two, or probably we don't have that high pressure matches in our domestic circuit, so that a girl is ready to play for final. I don't think this is a reason. This is not an excuse. We have to get better. We have to keep learning. But yeah, I think this can also be a case of we not having enough experience of knockout matches, because I think it's a different ball game when it comes to knockout matches. It's about it's more about handling your nerves than your skills. So I think, yeah, that the point you made, I think we have to get better. And
yeah, that's actually a very good point, Smriti. I mean, handling a sort of nerve more important than skill is a very, very interesting point you're making. And I think that is the case, because clearly you have the skill. I mean, the Indian men's team has the skill. The women's team has the skill. So it's that one hurdle that you actually need to cross. And I'm sure sooner than later you will. Smriti, tell me something. I mean, when I think of the WIPL, the Women's T20 Challenge, and I think Jaipur last year, people waiting to queue and get into the ground, 20,000+ people for that final. Again, this year, the final of the World T20. Are you sort of confident that our women's cricket is now poised, maybe once this pandemic is over, in 22, a year from now, or a year and a half, are we poised for a full-fledged women's IPL? What's your thought on that?
Well, definitely, I think we have at the moment. I wouldn't say 8-team IPL, but I think that BCCI is good to decide at how many teams IPL we should start with, probably 5, 6 to start with. But yeah, I think we have to the kind of response women's cricket is getting in India, the kind of numbers. Like, I think we played a series against South Africa in Surat. We got full house. As you said, the last year's Women's T20 Challenge was unexpectedly watched by so many people on stadium. And I think I wasn't part of the final. I was watching it because my Trailblazers were not playing the final, so we all were watching the final. So I actually felt the whole atmosphere felt unreal for women's cricket. I was just feeling very nostalgic watching everything, like, the whole ground just cheering for all the girls, and it was complete. And then I got to know that there are a lot of people who are still waiting, but they're not able to come inside. So all of these things, I think, it felt good. I felt like, okay, wow, it's like it's growing. And even the MCG, I think the whole atmosphere, just when I was standing at deep mid wicket and watching the whole stadium filled, I think those all things, yeah, I think if we start a women's IPL in 1.5 year or 1 year, whenever I think BCCI feels, but I think we have to start it, because if we have to get women's cricket from first, probably if it is at a stage of 5, in a strength of 10 in the growing stage, then the IPL will definitely push it to 8 directly, because we have seen that with the men's cricket. And not only, I think, in popularity wise, it will get a lot of depth in women's cricket, as we have seen in men's cricket as well, that from the time IPL has started, all the boys are ready whenever they play the international level. They are used to that kind of pressure. They are used to that kind of crowd. They are used to people watching them on TV. So I think the same will happen with women's cricket as well. So I wouldn't say
Fabulous.
that we will, yeah, we
Fabulous.
would get same kind of things from the first season, but I think it's a good time to start, and it's a right time to start at the moment.